Good morning. I am Mrs. Kavita Modi. Today we are going to continue chapter 11, Profit and Loss. In this chapter, we have to find cost price if selling price and profit or loss is given. Let's see how to find cost price or selling price if profit is given. We know that when selling price is greater than the cost price, we have a profit. So profit is equal to SP minus CP. We know that SP minus CP is equal to profit. From this formula, we can derive two more formulas. How? Let's see. Remember, if we take a digit to another side of equal to sign, positive becomes negative and negative becomes positive. See, we have minus CP. If we take minus CP to another side of equal to sign, it becomes plus CP. So the first formula is SP is equal to profit plus CP. To find the value of CP, take plus profit to another side of equal to sign. It becomes minus profit. So the second formula is SP minus profit is equal to CP, or CP is equal to SP minus profit. Let's see how to find cost price or selling price if loss is given. We know that when cost price is greater than the selling price, we have a loss, and loss is equal to CP minus SP. Already we know that CP minus SP is equal to loss. From this formula, we can derive two more formulas. How? Let's see. See, in this formula, we have minus SP. If we take minus SP to another side of equal to sign, it becomes plus SP. So the first formula is CP is equal to loss plus SP. To find the value of SP, take loss to another side of equal to sign. It becomes minus loss. So the second formula is CP minus loss is equal to SP, or SP is equal to CP minus loss. If you remember some formulas in profit and loss, you can easily solve the chapter. Number 1. If selling price is greater than cost price is equal to profit. So profit is equal to selling price minus cost price. Number 2. If cost price is greater than selling price is equal to loss. So loss is equal to cost price minus selling price. Number 3. Selling price is equal to cost price plus profit. Number 4. Selling price is equal to cost price minus loss. Number 5. Cost price is equal to selling price minus profit. Number 6. Cost price is equal to selling price plus loss. To understand it in a better way, let us solve some questions. Question number 1. If selling price is rupees 123 and profit is rupees 18, find the cost price. See, in this question, selling price is equal to rupees 123 and profit is equal to rupees 18, and cost price we have to find out. We know that cost price is equal to selling price minus profit. Now put the value. Rupees 123 minus rupees 18. Now do the subtraction. We get rupees 105. So cost price is equal to rupees 105. Let us solve one more question. If selling price is rupees 675 and loss is rupees 155, find the cost price. See, in this question, selling price is equal to rupees 675 and loss is equal to rupees 155, and cost price we have to find out. We know that cost price is equal to selling price plus loss. Now put the value. Rupees 675 plus rupees 155. Now do the addition. We get rupees 830. So cost price is equal to rupees 830. Let us solve one more question. Question number 3. Salim is a carpenter. He sold a chair for rupees 900, making a profit of rupees 250. Find the cost price of the chair. See, in this question, selling price of the chair is equal to rupees 900 and profit is equal to rupees 250, and cost price of the chair we have to find out. We know that cost price is equal to selling price minus profit. Now put the value. Rupees 900 minus rupees 250. Now do the subtraction. We get rupees 650. So the cost price of the chair is rupees 650. Let us solve one more question. Question number 4. A merchant sold a fan for rupees 1250 at a loss of rupees 200. Find the cost price of the fan. See, in this question, selling price of the fan is equal to rupees 1250 and loss is equal to rupees 200. And cost price of the fan we have to find out. We know that cost price is equal to selling price plus loss. Now put the value. Rupees 1250 plus rupees 200. Now do the addition. We get rupees 1450. So the cost price of the fan is rupees 1450. Let us solve one more question. Question number 5. Mr. Goel sold a scooter for rupees 6200. If he had made a profit of rupees 1050 on the scooter, find the cost price of the scooter. See, in this question, selling price of the scooter is equal to rupees 6200 and profit is equal to rupees 1050 and the cost price of the scooter we have to find out. We know that cost price is equal to selling price minus profit. Now put the value. Rupees 6200 minus rupees 1050. Now do the subtraction. We get rupees 5150. So the cost price of the scooter is rupees 5150. I hope you all understand how to find cost price if selling price and profit or loss is given. Thank you. Have a beautiful day.